I'm Pankaj Tandon. I'm from Punjab. So I'm making a Punjabi dish which is Chhole. So let's get started with this recipe. Let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we need 200 grams chickpeas which is overnight soaked and boiled, 100 grams onion, 75 grams tomatoes, 10 to 15 grams ginger garlic paste, 50 ml oil. Let's get to the spices part. 2 grams coriander powder, 1 gram cumin powder, 50 milligrams black salt, 50 milligrams mango powder, 50 milligrams turmeric powder, 50 milligrams red chili powder, and salt for taste. We need half bay leaf, 1 red chili whole, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, and 1 cinnamon stick. So let's go to the kitchen and cook it together. So I'm cooking my chole. So I have right now added onions to this pan. Add all the ingredients one by one and cook them well. Voila! Our chole is ready. I'm going to eat it with rice. So let me taste it. Get this chole. So wow, it was so yummy. You also try it at home. Thank you and bye.